It's Thursday, January 4th. My wife's at work and I'm still off. I start my job next week, so I have a free day and I am going to make use of my Disney annual pass that until now we've only been able to come, every once in a while, maybe every other month or something. And now we live here, so I could just drive about 30 minutes or so and I'll be at the park. So I have a reservation for Animal Kingdom, which is the most skipped park for us because it's so freaking hot in the summer, and between the gaps of like coming back every time, we always like default back to going to like Hollywood Studios or Magic Kingdom or Epcot, so we always leave out Animal Kingdom unless it's like a vacation or something. I got my Magic Band on and I'm gonna go walk around Animal Kingdom for the first time by myself. I've never done a solo trip to Disney, so come along. See you then. All right, here we go. We're on property. Took 40 minutes from my place. Only 20 miles though. Ish, a little more than 20. Going the right way, I'm on track. I see the sign. Just keep going straight. Still on track. There's the Skyliner. Home stretch. I had to stop at the Solar McDonald's to go to the bathroom because I had to go so bad. It ain't no fun sitting in a car. We gotta go to the bathroom. Woo. In case I forget, I parked in Butterfly. It's right over here somewhere. There's a lot of cars here, so hopefully I can find the car on the way out. Made it in. Well, made it to the entrance anyway. Still got the Christmas tree up January 4th. That'll be coming down any day, I'm sure. A little chilly, a little warm. It's usually so freaking hot here, you can't even stand it. It's a long walk from the car though, for sure. Looks like a one-day ticket today is 149 bucks. Ouch. Good thing I have a pass. Look at these dudes. Gotta find the anteater for Tressie. This is where the anteater lives. Let's see if we can find him. Might be over here. There he is. Hiding. The anteater's hiding. He won't come out. I see his snout. That's it. There he is. There he is.
No, this is the line. It's probably for both. Thank you.
Flamingos.
Information about a group of animals, not just flamingos, but we can access that one via flamingos too.
Otter Grotto. I see an otter right there on the rock. No one's swimming though. Sunbathing. There's a pile of otters. Heading into Africa. Cool view. I think I need a snack. I'm gonna go find some good food. I think it's over here where I get the good stuff. Some watermelon, drink of sorts. It's very refreshing, especially in the summer. And I think I recall some decent food over here, if I can find it. What's in this store? Cool view. Don't want to go through there though. That's what I was looking for. That's where the good food is. Got me a shrimp bowl and some watermelon lemonade.
It's good stuff.
It took forever, but over here by the train. Yum, yum. Nothing like that watermelon lemonade. So good. Refreshing. Especially in the summer. Shrimp bowl? Nah. No, it's alright. 22 bucks later. Typical Disney food. Prices. Nothing special. Food was good. Let's go hit the train, huh?
Bring your dad.
Walk right on.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express with service to Rafiki's Planet Watch. Here, you'll discover a wide range of animal adventures, from the affection section, where you can get up close and personal with domesticated animals like goats, sheep, and more, the tradition of animals and animation. Did you know Bambi was the first animated feature to bring live animals into the...
Took forever when you got off the train, but if you keep walking for like half a mile, here's the petting zoo. Look at these guys. Hey, buddy. Said brushes. You can brush them. Come on. Where you at? There in that little brush. Come on. Just loving his food. Might as well go check out the gorillas while we're here, since I'm right here by where I got off the train. Gorilla Falls. Some gorillas over there. Pretty cool setup. Backside of the giant tree. Heading to Asia, I think. Yep, Asia. I can never make it to the other side of the park in like one day, especially when it's hot. I gotta at least make one lap. Can I do it? It's like 2:40. I want to leave here in an hour. It's pretty cool, even though it's a fake tree. The elephant trunk right there. Wow. Welcome to Asia. Let's go see a tiger. What do you say? Maharaja Jungle Trek. Monkeys, tigers, and dragons. Oh my. Bats. Let's go see some bats. Love bats. Bats are hiding. Let's go find a tiger. I see a bat. He's up there.
You guys go up?
Goes up and then it comes down.
There he is. Let's go see the tiger. Tiger Forest. This is cool back here. Ruins. these guys. I don't know what they're doing.
Figure out what
Tressie said she'd be impressed if I went on that. Well, guess what? She's not going to be impressed today because I'm not going on that. Not that I'm scared, I just don't feel like it. One day. Forced perspective. Looks a lot bigger than it is. I guess leads to Dino Land. And then I'm out of here. I found Kevin.
Wander away. Even though she is very tall, her attention span is very small.
That was a fun day, Animal Kingdom. Can't say I'll be back anytime soon though. Not my favorite park, especially if it got hotter. It's definitely a workout walking around there, but it was fun. Long way to the car. It's a hike. It got warm out too. I keep doing stuff like this, I'm gonna get in shape fast, that's for sure. Man, I'm beat. Hope I beat traffic home. It was an hour getting here. Hopefully it's an hour back, but I have a feeling it might be longer because it could be rush hour by the time I get out of here. Where's the car? Let's see. Am I close? I hear it beeping. That must be me. There it is. If only this jackass didn't park so close to my car, I could open it. Jerk. Well, dang, it's bright. That's gonna do it for my solo trip, my first solo outing at Disney by myself, without my wife. And thanks for coming along, and if you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, all that good stuff. I think Disney vlogs are kind of boring. They've been done, but I just documented my day and my time here moving through Orlando. So, like I said, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If not, whatever, I didn't like it either. I'll try and not do too much Disney content. I'll just document my days and my experiences here just for the fun of it. Catch you in the next video. Bye. Like and subscribe.